Hello and welcome to another one of my director's cuts, where I reproduce a video that I've already shown before, hopefully this time in all its glory, away from the grasps of the Content ID system, which seems to pick on these ancient tunes that are over 100 years old and should not be copyrighted. This is 4 Scots, the Highlanders parading from the Esplanade down to Mercat Cross in November 2018. Drum major of the Highlanders is Callum, and I would got to say he's one of the best drum major I think I've ever seen. I met up with 4 Scots at the 2019 British Pipe Band Championships in Paisley, where Callum was playing a side drum, and I've got to say he's wasted in that position because he's got the qualities to be the number 1 drum major in the UK, bar none. And I've seen a few. Anyway, enough gushing over Callum. So this tune is going to be The Green Hills of Tyrol, the Battle is O'er, which when sung can be called A Scottish Soldier, as it was written by Andy Stewart, some words to accompany it. We're in the Royal Mile for sure here, because at either side of the road we've got souvenir shops, probably better known in Edinburgh as tat shops, where you get all of the touristy type stuff. A lot of them are owned by the the Gold brothers. Malap Gold is a good friend of mine, and Malap normally resides outside Deaton Goodies during the month of August, where he sells leftover tattoo tickets from the cruise ships on a not-for-profit basis. He's a good guy, Malap, so if you want a ticket for the tattoo, remember and give him a shout. So we're on the way down the Royal Mile, as I say. Those cobblestones are deadly for tackety boots, especially when it's wet. And accompanying the 4 Scots pipes and drums, we have the Navy, the Army and the RAF in that order. So this is the end of the Green Hills. We've got the Navy, the RAF and the Army following 4 Scots pipes and drums. The Royal Regiment of Scotland went down earlier on with the veterans. So the next song is going to be called Khyber Fae, and Content ID doesn't bother about that one, so I'm not going to speak during that at all. I asked 2 Scots if they would play it, and they rejected it, saying it's the 4 Scots anthem. So that's St Giles Cathedral in the background. The actual Remembrance service takes place at Mercat Cross, which is outside at the city chambers. So it gets really thick with people down here, so I couldn't go any further. So now we've cut to after the Remembrance service. They've paraded round the back of St Giles Cathedral, and we're going to stop here for a while because this was the 100th anniversary of Armistice, so it was rather special this year. They normally just march straight up to the castle, but not this year. So they fall out for a while. We had to wait about half an hour, maybe an hour, before the parade moved off again. Royal Regiment Scotland are already away with the veterans. At this point my normally trusty Rhodes stereo mic starts to fail. Really annoying because you don't realise it at the time. That's it, failing. So after this I sent it back to Rhodes in London. They've got an outlet in London, although they are an Australian company, and it got repaired free of charge, as you get a 10-year warranty with these things. Absolutely superb. Never had a problem with it since I got it back. Seems to start working again soon in a wee bit though. Those two red telephone boxes, that's where my lap sells his tickets for the tattoo. Right, I think the microphone's going to hold up fine. So I'm sure the rest of the tunes all the way up the Royal Mile to the castle from now on are content ID copyrighted tunes, so I might need to do a bit of talking over the top of them. Oh, that was the Green Hills again. on the way down, otherwise known as a Scottish soldier. Content ID, absolutely, is all over that song like a rash. Despite being an ancient song, over 100 years old, CD Baby or some other company like that claims copyright to it, citing things like the Basil military tattoo. Well, sorry guys, this is the 4 Scots, pipes and drums, doing the Royal Mile in Edinburgh, which pisses over your Basil military tattoo. Managed to find myself a good position here right in front of the band. I'm going to stop the song just directly. Calamar. This year, when it was 3 Scots, the Black Watch coming up here, there's yeah, those little barriers are up now. There's poles. Those cobbles of the Royal Mail are deadly for tackety boots. There on the left hand side, the Witchery and the Whisky Experience on the right hand side, and my Lap's Last tat shop on the left hand side now. It's got a nice restaurant at the top of it. A Scotland shop. We're almost back on the Edinburgh Castle Esplanade here. This song is of course Scotland the Brave, and it too is a Content ID copyright favourite, along with its the black bear that goes alongside it. Again, the Basil military tattoo, unbelievable. So that's us now in the Castle Esplanade. At this time of year there is no stadium stands up. Someone was asking me about that in one of my other videos. That's there for the Edinburgh military tattoo, which is in August, so come November it's all been removed. And come about April they start putting it all back in place again for the tattoo that lasts the whole of the month of August. So I go behind the VIPs here, which is the Edinburgh Castle Governor. That's him getting saluted by Calamar. Oh, there's also the Lord Provost of Edinburgh. He's my Lap's buddy as well. Scotland Brave purely here, no black bear. If this was 3 Scots they would be mixing up with the black bear. And here we've got the troops, so first off Navy, then Army, then RAF. So this is about the end. There's the castle in all its glory. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.